Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right, so today we're going to be learning a 736 in the key of Okay, so let me just call out the chords. We're in the key of F. We have a F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. So 736 in F is 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. So I'll be playing 3 notes modal chords or mostly on the right hand. Yeah, but it's actually established on this chord progression. So it's established on this 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1 chord progression. So that's the 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. So that means if you have a basis, for instance, that is what the roots the basis is going to be holding, because that's the chord progression. So it goes like this. Okay, let me quickly do it on one song. You can have the for you are great, you do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. Okay, so let me just show you the chord. So for the 7 on left, you have a 7. So this is actually pretty much for beginners and intermediates. So that's why I'm not playing much chords here. So I just play just 3 modal chords on the right hand. So we have a 7. So in the left hand, we are in the key of F. On the left hand we have a E. On the right hand we have a D, G, B flat. Then for 3, on left I have a A. On right I have a C sharp, F and A. You can add C to it on the right. Then on 6 I have a 6 is a D. Then on my right hand I have a F major 7 chord, which is a C, E, 5, 7, 1 and 3. Then instead of going to 2 directly, which is F major 7 flat 5, that's your flat 5, your 7, 1 and 3. Instead of just going to 2 directly from 6, and I did so I did a walk down from D to B, D flat, C to B. So so I'm substituting 2 for flat 5. Yeah. So 7, 3, C, so I'm assuming this for my 2, then 5. So 5 on F, your 5 is C. Then on your right hand we have a E flat major 7 chord. Yeah, second inversion. This is the E flat major 7, first inversion, second inversion. So we have a B flat, D, E flat, and G. So 5, right? So again we have a we are back to 1 now. So from 5, 1. What is happening on this one? Still E flat major 7 chord, but just with a flat 5, altered chord, kinda. So that's what we have on the right hand. So we have your 3, 6. We'll say 3, 13, flatting 7, and your 9, right? Then we go to 4. So on left hand we have a 4. On right hand we have a 3, 6, 1 and 3. So together it sounds I still be wanted for the water, so my soul together. Most times when you go to when you do 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. When you are 4, most times it goes to 5, then resolves a bit, then does some turn around, Yeah, somehow. So most times that's how it goes. That's how it works. All right, God bless you. Make sure you click the subscribe button, and don't forget, I post piano tutorials every time on this channel. All right, so please click the subscribe button, and please click the like button. Thank you.